Remedies for abscessed tooth. An abscessed tooth occurs when the decaying tooth is left untreated or there is a gum disease or a chipped tooth, and which results in a pus-filled and often painful infection that could spread and damage other teeth and even the bones of the face. It usually occurs in tooth socket, or the root area below the tooth. Here are some of the simple and most used remedies for abscessed tooth. Garlic. Garlic is known for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and can be highly beneficial in clearing our infections and inflammations. This remedy can also be used for cleansing our lymphatic system and improving blood circulation. Apply garlic juice onto the affected tooth or chew a garlic clove and keep chewing until the pain subsides. Oil pulling. Oil pulling has been used in Ayurvedic practice for treating abscessed tooth. Due to the presence of lipids in the oil, bacteria are flushed out of the walls in the oral cavity during oil pulling. This method relieves pain and swelling. Put a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it nicely and then spit it out. Make sure not to swallow it, as it might contain bacteria or fungus pulled up from your teeth. Rinse your mouth out at least 2 or 3 times a day with oil until infection clears out. Clove. Clove as well as clove oil both are amazing home remedy for toothache and infection. Clove has antiseptic, antifungal and antibacterial properties that clear out infections and treats toothache. Omega-3 fatty acids and mineral like manganese and cloves make it highly effective in reducing pain and inflammation. Rub clove oil onto the teeth and gentle massage it on your infected tooth and gum or chew on a clove. Baking soda. Baking soda relieves from abscessed tooth by maintaining a healthy pH in the mouth. It neutralizes saliva to prevent demineralization of tooth. Take a half teaspoon of salt and baking powder. Mix well and apply it over your infected tooth. Leave it for 20-25 minutes until the pain subsides. Repeat as needed. Do not overuse it, as it could be harsh to the teeth. Apple cider vinegar. Rinse your mouth with a tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar without swallowing. It disinfects and reduces swelling in the affected tooth. Repeat this steps 2 to 3 times daily or as needed. Instead of rinsing your mouth, you can drink a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar by mixing it in a glass of water. Salt water. Rinse your mouth with salt water after meals so as to keep any food particles from further irritating the abscess. Salt water rinse brings temporary relief and reduces swelling of the gums. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt into a cup of lukewarm water and swish it around in your mouth to rinse and then spit it out. Repeat this step few times. Salt water won't be able to cure your tooth abscess but provide a relief from the pain. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is known for its antiseptic, antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties, and helps in cleaning out infection and improves overall oral health. Add water in a teaspoon of turmeric and make a paste. Rub it on your infected tooth and leave it about half an hour and then rinse it with lukewarm water. Tea bags. Tea contains tannin, which helps in treating infection and even pain by absorbing the pus from the infected tooth. This also helps relieve swelling and inflammation. Take a dry tea bag and sprinkle it with salt and place it beside the affected area or the infected tooth. Leave it for about 30 minutes for instant pain relief. Peppermint. Peppermint also has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Massage peppermint oil to the affected area and repeat as needed. This will help in destroying the bacteria and reducing infection and painful swelling. Olive oil. It is also considered as an effective home remedy for abscessed tooth, as it contains a chemical called eugenol, which helps in eliminating bacteria and alleviates pain. Dip a cotton ball in a tablespoon of olive oil and place it over your infected tooth. Repeat daily until pain subsides. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.